Okay, well, we got some fun going on here. We're just beyond the middle of the Gulf Stream, and we got a bunch of dolphins here with us. This is always kind of fun. These guys right down here. It's fun watching these guys. They swim so effortlessly. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Right down here, right at the, they swim so close to the boat. So this kind of breaks up the monotony of the day, huh?
And they're not very big.
These are small ones compared to what we have in, what we're used to seeing in Texas. We have bottlenose dolphins in Texas. These are, I believe they're called spotted or speckled dolphins, and they're a little smaller breed. Species, I guess, to be correct. At any rate, it's kind of fun. It's been kind of hot and boring. The boat's been rolling, and you know, we've been bored. And so this is our fun for the day. Yeah, well, I had to go. At any rate, that's it.